Do you want your N8N workflow to run automatically at a specific time without clicking any manually? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use schedule trigger in N8N. Let's get started. First, open your N8N workspace. I've assumed that you're already logged in. Once you're in the dashboard, you can either create a new workflow or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click Create New Workflow. Inside the editor, click the plus icon on the canvas to add a new node. Now, in the search bar, search for Schedule Trigger in the nodal list and select it. On the left panel, you will see different options. First is the every interval. For example, every 10 minutes, every hour, or every day. This set exact times or days when your workflow should run. Once your schedule is set, click Execute Node to test it. Once you're satisfied, click Save in the top right corner to store your workflow. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to use Schedule Trigger in N8N. Thanks for watching! Keep automating, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.